In this video, I'll detail how to reset Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to reset it to erase all the Apple Watch settings with or without your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through. Mark you, there are two ways or two things you need to put into consideration when you want to reset Apple Watch. If you are changing the ownership of the Apple Watch, like you want to sell the Apple Watch or you want to give it out, you need to make sure you sign out of your Apple ID on the Apple Watch before you go ahead and reset the Apple Watch. Otherwise, you may fix Apple Watch activation lock or provide access to the Apple ID that was linked to your Apple Watch before it was reset. So here, I'm going to quickly show you to reset your Apple Watch fastest approach. So if I don't know this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is just click on the YouTube one to exit the watch face. Then click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on general. Now, once you selected general, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on reset. Then you need to click on reset all content and settings. Then this is going to erase all media data and settings on your Apple Watch, but erasing will not remove activation lock. Now scroll down and click on erase. Mark you, if you are reselling this Apple device, you need to make sure you log out from the iCloud before you erase all content. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to type in your activation code when next you want to use the Apple Watch. Then you should see your Apple Watch erasing, and this might take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on the data or files you have on your Apple Watch. Then once the process is completed, you will be prompted to pair your Apple Watch with your Apple devices again before you can use it. You need to set up your Apple Watch again, and at this point, you may be prompted to type in your Apple ID passcode to remove activation lock on your Apple Watch. So that is how to reset Apple Watch to factory settings or default settings. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.